Good morning. How are you today?
I'm well, thank you. How about you?
I'm also doing well, thank you for asking. Is there something important you'd like to discuss today? Yes, there is. I've been hearing a lot about the importance of thinking in English to learn the language effectively. Is it really possible to do that? What are your thoughts? Absolutely, it's possible. What's on your mind about this?
Well, I'm currently facing challenges in speaking English and forming sentences in my mind. Thinking in English seems like a big step forward from where I am now. I'm not sure if I can achieve it.
I understand your concern, but I have 7 valuable tips that can help you learn how to think in English. It's definitely achievable.
That's great to hear. Could you please share those tips with me?
Of course. Here are the 7 tips to help you start thinking in English. 1. Immerse yourself in English. Surround yourself with English as much as possible. Listen to English music, watch English movies, and read English books. How about this tip?
That sounds enjoyable. I can start listening to English music during my commute.
2. Reduce translation. Try to understand English words and phrases directly, without translating them into your native language.
I see what you mean. I've been relying on translation too much.
3. Daily English activities. Incorporate English into your daily routines. Talk to yourself in English or label objects in your environment with their English names.
Labeling objects in English is a practical idea. I can start with that.
4. Talk to yourself. Practice speaking in English when you're alone.
Speaking to myself in English might be a bit challenging, but I'll give it a try.
5. Use positive mantras. Begin your English thinking sessions with a positive phrase, such as, "I am improving my English every day."
That's a great way to stay motivated.
6. Predict conversations. Try to anticipate what native English speakers might say in different situations.
Predicting conversations could help me prepare better.
7. Consistency is key. Start with short, dedicated periods of thinking in English, even if it's just for a few seconds a day.
Starting small and gradually increasing the duration makes sense. I'll work on being consistent. Thank you for sharing these tips. I appreciate it. I'm excited to start practicing and improving my English.
You're welcome. Remember, it's a gradual process, but with consistency and these tips, you'll definitely make progress. If you have any questions along the way, feel free to ask.
I will. Thank you for your guidance. I'm looking forward to thinking in English more naturally soon.
That's the spirit. Keep up the good work, and I have no doubt you'll succeed in thinking in English with time and practice.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel. If you found value in this video, we kindly request you to share it with a friend who might also benefit from it. Thank you sincerely for your unwavering support. Your encouragement means the world to us. Take care and keep learning.